I'm going to be linked on the exact system I use to help my clients increase qualified demand for their offers through my ads ascension system, which ends up resulting in them getting 3 to 4 qualified sales calls per day and 6 to 7 qualified leads per day. So if my clients are averaging around 3 to 4 qualified sales calls per day, that's around 30 to 40 sales calls per month. And if it's around 6 to 7 qualified leads per day, then that's over 100 qualified leads per month through my ads ascension system. And I'm not making these numbers up at all. This is my client Darius York. I have his testimonial on my YouTube page as well. And right over here, you can see he runs an agency where he helps out credit repair and funding business owners. And he came up to us when he was around at $15,000 to $20,000 a month. That's how much he was averaging in monthly revenue. And we helped him scale his business to making consistently around $50,000 a month through our ads ascension systems. We were able to get him around 3 to 4 qualified sales calls per day with qualified ICP, with dialed in backend systems to make sure that the leads are very, very warm when they hop on the sales call. And that's how he was able to close around 75 to 80% of all the meetings that he hopped on with the leads that came in through the ads, right? So I'm going to show you the numbers as well. As you can see here, these are the ads that we ran over for him. 6 website schedules, 3 website schedules, Calendly clicks here, 8 appointments scheduled, around 4 appointments scheduled here. Messaging conversation started over here. So this is all in the month of just November of 2025. In just a matter of 1 month, we were all able to generate him around 20 to 25 qualified sales calls through this. And he was able to close his first deal and make a $5,000 PIF within the first week of ad launch itself. And right now with another client that I'm working with as well, he is a dental CPA, right? And he's averaging around 6 qualified leads per day. So this is the 17th April right now. Literally, I've put the date as well on 17th of April. 6 qualified lead form applications right here itself. We launched his ads on the 9th of April. So on the 9th itself, he was able to get 4 qualified leads. And as you know, the days passed by, the ads got optimized as well. And now he's averaging around 6 qualified leads a day. And we've almost generated around 30 qualified leads for him through the ad campaigns that I'm running right now. So you can see the numbers right here. We're able to bring in leads for around $5 per lead and also around for $20 a lead. So the numbers are all there in front of you. I'm not hiding anything by any means at all. And he has hopped on around 12 qualified sales calls through the leads that have come in. There are the other leads that are, there, the remaining leads that are there, they are booked in for later this week, and there are a few that are there in conversations as well within the DMs. And while I'm recording this, we got another lead in as well, so that's another sign that shit's working, right? So yeah, so now I want to go ahead and show you exactly what we do to be able to get so many qualified sales calls booked in for our clients and also bring in so many leads and qualified followers for our clients, right? So it's a very simple process I'm going to be laying down right in front of you. So obviously we go ahead and run high converting ads like these for you. And then we send all of the traffic over to a landing page like this. This is my client Darius right over here. A very good headline and a VSL that goes ahead and explains everything that you're doing from A to Z and how you can help your clients through your offer. Then they go ahead and I'll just show the entire landing page over to you. It's a very simple landing page. There's nothing too extravagant right here. They simply go ahead, click on the booking link over here. They get sent over to a Calendly link right here where they have to go ahead, fill out a form like this, and they go ahead and schedule in a meeting over with you. Once the meeting is scheduled, the meeting has been booked in, obviously. And then with our dialed in backend systems that we have in place, which I have broken down right here, we are able to go ahead, warm out all of the leads that book in a meeting with you, because again, we are running ads over here. So your ads are being put out to very cold audiences that don't exactly know who you are. These are not retargeting ads that we are running over to followers of yours, right? So that is why we understand this. We understand the model as well, and we have built in an entire backend selling system that will go ahead and get all of the leads from being extremely cold and not knowing who you are, what your offer is, and how you can help them out with the offer, to becoming extremely warm and hot leads so that they know who you are, trust who you are, right? Trust your abilities, trust your offer, and have that genuine connection over with you. And they also know exactly how you can help them out with your processes and your offer. And how we do this is through 4 backend selling mechanisms that we have dialed in. First is a warm dialer. We'll put in a dedicated warm dialer in for your offer itself while running these ads for you, which will go ahead and pre-qualify all of the leads. He'll build rapport and understand exactly what they're looking for, hype them up for the upcoming meeting that they have already scheduled in for. Right. And then through the email sequences that we have, we use email sequences to pre-handle objections that they might have certain value-based emails on all the pain points that they have mentioned on the warm dial. So our email sequences are not generalized for everyone. We have an entire, through Go High Level, that's a CRM that we use, we understand exactly what the client is facing issues with through the lead form that they fill out while booking in the meeting, and also through the warm dialer after they go through. And like, our warm dialers are really dialed in because they've gone through, they understand an entire discovery process that they have to do with the leads that's scheduled in the meeting. So we understand everything that the prospect is facing issues with, and through our CRM, we go ahead and tag them with certain pain points that they're facing, and we only send them value-based emails that are related to the pain points that they are facing and to the situations that they are in. So it's not going to be generalized emails that will be of no use to anyone, but they'll be concentrated, value-based emails to specific pain points that your prospects are facing while they book in a meeting with you. Then we also go ahead and help you build out content assets and sales assets that we'll be using to send all of the prospects over to via DMs and stuff before the meeting, so they get educated on your offer and exactly how you can help them out. This will build a lot of credibility and a lot of familiarity within you and your offer as well. So that's what the content assets and sales assets are going to do. Then we have our hammer them retargeting strategies, which will retarget all of the audiences that have watched your content and visited your landing page in the last 180 days or 30 days. We'll bombard them with value-based videos so that trust, credibility, and followers increase before the sales call. Because of all of these 4 back-end selling systems, we're able to convert cold leads that have gone ahead, booked in meetings with you, into very warm and hot buyers that want to instantly go ahead with your offer, and they see you as the solution to the problems that they're facing. And that is how we are able to generate so much demand for all of our clients that we are working with right now. And we're also able to get them closers because of this, right? If you want, you can go over to my YouTube page, go ahead, watch all of the testimonials that are there. We also have our Instagram page that we put out a lot of value-based content onto. So you can go ahead, look at that as well. And you're going to get a lot of sauce from this, right? Yeah, I hope this system made sense over to you. It's a very simple concept as a funnel, but it's very hard to execute because everyone focuses on the front end side of things, where they'll put in a lot of effort into running ads, making sure that each ad looks very fancy and stuff, and they're able to bring in all of the leads and all of the meetings. But because their backend selling systems are not dialed in, you're not able to really close the deals that come in through the ads, and you're just spending money without really getting anything back in return. And that is the biggest problem that we and that is the biggest problem that we solve through our entire system. So I hope this made sense to you. If it did, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, follow my page as well. And if you are, again, a coach or a consultant or an agency owner looking to scale your business through ads, you can go ahead, book in a meeting with me. The link is in the description, and I'd be more than happy to help you map out your system so that we can help you scale your business as well. See you. Bye-bye.